Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Stacking Perpetrator. In this video I'm going to add two Morgans to my first album, the 1878-1891 album. The twist to this is these are special strikes and they're not part of the 6 coins that I need to finish the set. But what I do have, and you're really going to love these. You're really going to love these. Check this out. Yes, you're looking at a 1884, and it is a San Francisco mint. Let's see if the camera will focus in on this. Come on, camera. There you go. You can see that S mint mark down there. And you're probably wondering, what are these X's doing across the coin? This coin, this coin was minted by the Moonlight Mint and Dan Carr. I've got a little fuzz on it there. It was minted by the Moonlight Mint and Dan Carr. I don't know if anybody's familiar with Dan Carr, but he does a lot of special strikes. Now this was done with the canceled dies. That's why the X is in there. The mint, when they got rid of the dies, they gouged these X's in them. Filed these marks in so that the dies could not be reused for counterfeits. Well, this particular coin was minted using those the canceled out dies. And not only that, it was minted on a surplus Denver Mint press. And the Moonlight Mint, they only did 99 of these. And also a fun fact, this coin is minted on a genuine Morgan dollar from it's a random Morgan dollar that they used between 1878 and 1921. So it is a 90%, and it is an original. It's minted on an original. I guess we'd call it an overstrike of a real Morgan dollar. And so we're going to fit that in I'm going to set that down over here. And we're going to open up, because I remember from my first video on this, I have 2 blank spots in the back. And we're going to put this coin in one of those slots. There we go. Let's see if I can get this page to... These are tough, trying to get that slider out. It's even harder with the gloves on. There we go. So I'm going to take this coin and we're going to fit it in. We're going to fit in the slot there. That is a beautiful coin. Beautiful coin. Come on, get in there. This album is a tight fit. Come on. I'll worry about that after the video. So I'm going to leave the slider out anyways, because I have one more. You're not going to believe this one. This is another coin from the Moonlight Mint and Dan Carr. And this one is another canceled die. It is another, if I can get it to focus here, it is another 1884. But what makes this special is the canceled dies used for this is a matching pair of the 1884 CC dies. Is that cool or what? This is a restrike, and it's used with the canceled dies. Now they minted 199 of these. I actually got 2 of these, which one of them I sent off for a gift, and don't want to discuss that just yet because they're talking about doing a video on it. They just haven't done it yet, but they sent it out as a Christmas and as a thank you gift. But isn't that beautiful? This again is done on a genuine, a real 1878 to 1921 Morgan dollar. It is struck over top of one of the originals, so it is a 90%, but it's just a beautiful coin. Beautiful coin. There's that CC Mint mark again. Like I said before, this was done with a matching die pair. So we're going to go ahead and put that. Come on, little one. I know you want to smell the coin. Stay over there. So we're going to go ahead and fit that in here. And yeah, these are a little harder to fit in. Just because the overstrike stretch the coins out a little bit. But we'll fit that in there. I know these ain't going to pop out easy. But anyways, just thought I'd like to share those 2 new additions to my Morgan set. I hope you like these. And we will see you on another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to see more of the content and see my progression with this album and many other things I have. All right. And y'all have a Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everybody out there. Thanks.